Guess who loves you? 나야 나. Do I show you? No야 no. 아직 타임이 아니야 난. 좀 더 가까이 그러다 갑자기 싹. Baby 깔리겠지 넌 결국엔 내 거야 내게 되겠지 넌 이제 finally 택할 시간이야 벌써 어느새 또 밤이 되었습니다. I'm the mafia.
Ang wish ko kay Shana is sana makatapos siya ng pag-aaral. And alam ko naman na magagawa niya yun kasi ever since naman she's been a very responsible daughter. So even man sa school yan or sa bahay, she shows the same naman.
Who's been working so damn hard? You got that head on overload. Got yourself this flawless body aching out from head to toe. Ain't nothing, all my ladies round the world. Ain't nothing, all girls better get paid. You've been down before, you've been hurt before, you got hurt before. You'll be good to go. Destiny said that you gotta get up and get mad independent, don't you ever forget. Got some dirt on your shoulder, then let me brush it off for ya. If you feeling me, put your pride high. That's my girl. That's my girl.
Gusto ko sa ugali niya is very consistent siya sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa niya. So, lahat ng bagay sinisimulan niya at saka tinatapos niya to na binigay niya yung best niya. So, I know na lalaki siya as a strong, with a strong personality.
Not if you've been played by every boo, just trying to show you off. Thought he was the best you ever had until he cut you off.
Happy birthday. I love you so much. And gusto ko iwanan ka ng 3 words ngayon. Sobrang ganda mo. Happy 16th birthday.
Patuloy niya lang yung pagiging responsible na. Alam ko naman na matutupad niya yung mga pangarap niya sa buhay. At matapang na babae kasi yan eh. Talagang malakas. So, yun. Alam kong magagawa niya yan. Patuloy niya lang yung pagiging. Yun, alam kong magagawa niya yung mga gusto niya sa buhay. Dahil responsible naman siya. Talino. Yun, mag-ipat naman siya sa lahat ng bagay. Kaya kung kaya niyang gawin.
You've been hurt before, you got up before, you'll be good to go, good to go. Destiny said that you gotta get up and get mad independent, and don't you ever forget it. Got the good on your shoulder, let me brush it up for you. If you feeling me, put your 5 high. That's my girl. That's my girl. What you waiting for?
Happy birthday, Shana!
Happy birthday, Shana!
Happy birthday, Shana!
Happy 16th birthday, Shana! We love you!
Si ate ay independent na woman at kahit nabubuli siya, hindi niya, she doesn't let that get to her.
Happy 16th birthday, Ashana. We love you.